Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in a gated community at Ocean Ridge, St. Mary, and just 10 to 15 minutes from Ocho Rios, is this spacious 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom unfinished home that offers immense potential. It sits on almost half-acre of land. The property boasts 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms upstairs, with a bedroom and bathroom on the ground level, perfect for guests or family members. Enjoy stunning sea views from the second floor. The home features a nice garage, ample storage space, and clay tile roofing. Please note that additional tiles are included in the sale. The lot is lushly fruited, offering mango, ackee, June plum, soursop trees, among others. The community provides 24 hours security and a private water supply, ensuring peace of mind. Construction began in the late 80s, and with your vision, this home can become a true Caribbean haven. Guys, let's take a look at this unfinished house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 400,000 or Jamaican $61.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.